In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an events calendar to your Wix site in 2025 with a straightforward step-by-step guide. Let's start by logging into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and sign in using your credentials. Once you're in, go to your dashboard and select the site you wish to add events to. Then click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Next, we'll add the Wix Events App. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on Apps, and then choose App Market. In the search bar, type Wix Events and press Enter. When the app appears, click Add to Site. The app automatically installs and adds an events page to your site, making it ready for you to start creating events. Now let's create your first event. Navigate to your dashboard and click on Wix Events. Look for the button that says Plus New Event and click it. You'll then be given options to choose your event type: in-person, online, or hybrid. Once you've made your selection, it's time to enter the details of your event. Start by adding the event name, something catchy like Strategic Synergy Masterclass, perhaps. Continue by setting the date and time, adding the location or meeting link if it's online, and writing a brief yet intriguing description of the event. Next, let's customize the registration form. In the event settings, navigate to the Registration Form tab. Here you can choose which guest details to collect, such as name, email, and phone number. You can also add custom questions, like asking attendees how they heard about the event. After setting up the form, remember to save your changes. Moving forward, we'll design the event page. Open your Wix editor and go to the Events page. Here you can click on the Events List or Event Details section. Use the Design panel to customize elements like fonts, colors, and the overall layout to ensure everything aligns with your brand. You can choose to display upcoming events, feature some special ones, and even decide if past events should remain visible. Additionally, using the Events widget can add more functionality by showcasing events right on your homepage. Let's set up email notifications to keep your participants informed. Go back to the dashboard under Wix Events, open Settings, and then Notifications. Here you can turn on automated email options like registration confirmation, reminders, ticket delivery, and updates or cancellations. Personalizing each email subject and content is also possible here. To make things easier during the event, enable guest check-in. Download the Wix Owner app from iOS or Android, log in and go to Events, then Check In. This allows you to scan guests' QR codes, simplifying attendance management. Finally, it's time to preview and publish your event. Click Preview to test everything, from the look of the event page to the RSVP or ticket purchasing process. Ensure everything is seamless. Once you're confident that it's all set, go ahead and click Publish. Your event is now live, ready to engage and excite your audience on your Wix site.